Stick around to the end for something special. Hit the brakes in 3, 2, 1, oh. You know, turn lanes are just a suggestion, so if you need to turn, go ahead and turn. After all, you're more important than anyone else. Okay, we're all going to turn right, yes? No. Hey, buddy, get your bumper out of my lane. I captured this confrontation between two Pep Boy employees and a man accused of taking one of their shopping carts. Who knew Pep Boys had shopping carts? Somebody's bumper has an ouchie. Is the best place to have a conversation in front of a no parking sign? How do you make bad traffic even worse? Of course, throw in some double parking. This driver is suffering from lane change regret. Just a little bit wide on that turn. And really, what is a morning commute without someone cutting you off?
That's right, more red light runners.
Yes, it's back-to-back red light running segments. Do you remember when you were a kid and your mom said, "You can't say anything nice, just don't say anything at all"? Well, this is one of those times, so I won't say anything at all.
You're despicable.
Whoa, Nelly! Now, what do we got here?
Nutty as a fruitcake.
No, you're doing it all wrong. I got a splitting headache. One of us has got to go.
You have made me very angry indeed.